How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm shooting intro in my car because the mosquito out here is just GG, man. I'm out here. Anyways, I'm out here in Oshkosh. I'm going to the spot, the 41 bridge. As you guys know, it's a long walk, so I brought my bike. We're gonna be biking to the bridge and hopefully we can find some fish or two. I have no idea what the condition is. It did rain up here. As you guys can see, there's a puddle right out there somewhere, so I'm assuming rain pretty hard. Might be a good thing, might be a bad thing, I don't know, but this is the update. And hopefully we find some catfish and panfish. The whole idea here is to use some worm, catch some panfish, use the panfish to catch some like flathead or catfish, right? Channels, whatever. We have some crazy weather. Hopefully put some new fish in. I don't know. Let's go find out. Stay tuned and let's bike there. Peace. Let me just grab my glasses here. Yeah, we're gonna need these, maybe. I packed my my bike. As you guys can see, it's my little rig here. My cooler with my drinks and snacks. I got my rods on my back, my backpack on my back. We're gonna see how this goes, because it's gonna go. We're gonna make it happen. I gotta hurry up. Dang mosquitoes are coming out like crazy. I got 2 rods. All right, cool. Yep, I got 2 rods on my back and a cooler in the back, so it should be good. See a Forerunner. I'll be back, right? Be good. They'll be hollering at those Toyota Tundra. Oh, it's so much easier. Thank God. This is what's up. And we got a long way to go. If you were to walk this, guys, it's at least 30-40 minutes. So biking it, I want to say 7 to 10 minutes. So, and then imagine bringing all the fish back. Screw that. My legs, it burns. We're almost there. On the way back isn't too bad because it's all downhill. But man, going up is tiring. All right, now we got speed. We got speed, boys. Oh yeah. That's right, walking. Ah, take that. Freaking bugs hit my leg. Whew, should have took my allergy pills. Oh snap. You limit out already? What's up? Jeez, man. How's it going, dude? Oh jeez. What's up, dude? You gonna just get here?
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah. Almost pulled a muscle. Huh? Yeah, heck yeah. Yeah, go ahead, sir. Tôi plus, yeah. Yeah, you catch any?
One big white bag.
Nice. The water's low, y'all. Jeez. Nice. Okay. Alright. God, yeah. Oh, jeez. I lose them. Good job. Chill, relax. Alright, we got baits. Back. Oh, jeez. And I lose my bluegill. Nice. Oh, and he's on. Shit. Oh my God. Yeah, we got a better one. Let's go. Way better. Oh, jeez. Chill out, dude. That's me, my bad. Gotta turn off the clicker. Oh, jeez. Bro, what the heck? Those are some heavy tugs. Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez. Something's eating it. Oh my, no! He smashed my gill. What the? Yeah, more gills. Yeah, these are pretty big too. Whoa, what is this? Oh, it's a drum. Hey, I got a sheep head. Pee-wee, you want this? Got a drum. See ya. Oh jeez, my rod, shit. You trying to take my rod into the water. I almost lost my rod, dude. Like a smallmouth. What the heck? Oh, I got a white bass. Won't be needing you. Perfect size for cuppy. Yeah. I said, bro, like, you saw my line. Yeah, dude, I was like, dude, you saw my, oh, I got fish, dude. Oh, 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 oh. A sheep head. Oh, eating a honey bun. Good enough. Oh, I got a sucker, dude. Let's go. What the heck? Got a sucker. That's so cool. Oh, and it broke off. It's alright. Just a sucker. What the heck is the sucker doing there? Dang, he would have made good bait. Bluegill got me wrapped around a tree. He's still on. Yeah, he's still on. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, I got him out. Nice. Oh, he brought back some crankbaits too, bro. Look at this. That's crazy. That's funny as heck. Oh my gosh, dude. I snagged up on a nice gill there, and look, brought back some reward. So here's the problem, guys. The fish that are biting on the cuppy, they're not big. I think they're just small channels. They're just like picking and wrecking the meat. Look, line's going up again. Ah, those gotta be small channels. I'm gonna switch position because I just don't get it. These fish here, they're just not eating. They're just pecking at it. It's unbelievable. Oh, jeez. Those fish. There's a fish. This one just bumped into my line. Nope, he's eating it. Yep, I got him. I got him. I got him. That's a nice fish. They were out here. The heck? I got him. That's a channel for sure. Oh geez, now it's dogging. Running right at me. He's running right at me, guys. Didn't take too long. Out here in the sun, what the heck? Oh, it's a big channel. Nice. There we go. Finally. Sheesh. Relax. Yep, Gopro. That's a nice channel right there. Oh yeah, finally. Good channel. They were out here in the sun, eh? Look at that. Beautiful channel right there. So we wait all day for. See ya. Thanks a lot, buddy. Got one on. Yep, he's on. He's on. There we go. That's a nice fish. Finally. It's a good fish. My arm. Yep. Oh, jeez. It's a runner. Not big, but he's a runner. Nice clean channel. Relax, relax. Whew. There we go. It's a beautiful fish. I don't know if he's got it or he's chewing on it. There we go. We got him. Yep, we got him. Yeah. Got him. Oh, geez. That guy's pulling. Oh, jeez. Dang, this guy's dogging me. Stay out the rocks. He's running right at me. He's running right at me. Woo! Yep. Stay on the rocks. Oh my gosh. Oh, they run right at you, you know? Not yet. Woo. Tons of channels. That's a nice one. Wow, look how healthy it is. Oh, that's a pretty one. She's really, oh jeez.
Are you taking or you let him go?
I just let him go. You want him?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
I don't catch nothing today.
Yeah, it was rough. I didn't catch anything until now.
Oh,
Yep. Here, dude, you want it? Just keep it, man.
yeah. Put it there, man.
Hey. I'm not keeping any, so you can have it.
Thank you, man.
Yep. Oh shit. He's on. He's not coming out. I don't know yet. There we go. That's a nice one. Look at him dogging. Woo! That's a big one. That's a big. Oh, stay out of the rocks. Stay out of the rocks. Oh, my arm. Sheesh. That's a dandy fish. You see it? Oh, jeez. Relax, buddy, relax, relax. I got you, I got him. Yeah, he's good. He ain't going nowhere. He's not going nowhere. Some big hooks. Yeah, way bigger. Yeah, I got you. There you go. Oh, it's all right. Yeah. And grab it. There you go. Now you got your meal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's not going nowhere, man. These hooks right here, they are dandy. Look how fat that one is.
Big, yeah.
Sheesh. Well, I'm giving it to you guys, so I don't want any, so.
Sácale una picture, Rigo. Sácale una picture. It's okay. Take a
Oh yeah, yeah, sure, man. If you want to. Yeah, let me.
Send it to my brother in the picture
Alright.
to Oklahoma.
Good. There, 2. Now you got dinner.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
man.
dude. Guys, I am dripping sweat right now. Holy cow, it's hot. It's at least 90 plus. I'm roasting right now, man. Sheesh. Woo. I feel disgusting. I'm like dripping sweat. I don't know if you guys can see it, but man, it is hot. I know I'm in the shade. Not the greatest lighting, but I just can't do it no more. I think I'm gonna call it quit. I was hoping for a banger, like a nice, you know, catfish or whatever, but it is what it is. It's hot. Boat traffic is getting crazy, so we're gonna cut the video here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, I had a great time. Caught some nice bluegills. Used them as cut bait. Got some nice catfish. I gave those 2 catfish to the family there because I felt bad, man. We were out here all day. Like, they were here since I was here this morning, and they didn't get one single bite. So I felt like it was just right to give them like a meal, you know, just a meal. And yeah, that's just how it goes. I felt bad. I really wanted to help out the family, so I hope I made their day. Yeah, I don't know. I had a good time. It's hot. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. We might do this again. We'll see. If it stays hot like this, we'll be out here.